Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share. Please guys, if today is your first time of seeing this my YouTube channel, please guys subscribe, like and hit your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, for this video I'll be showing you guys how I create this beautiful look that you are seeing on my screen. Okay guys, first of all, after using my face primer, before you do your makeup guys, all you need to do, use your face primer. Very important because of your foundation, because of your skin. You have to protect your skin before your foundation, before you apply your foundation. After doing that, I do my foundation. The foundation I use is from Juvia's. Guys, I love Juvia so much. That is my best foundation that I'm using, and Revolution. After doing that, I use my concealer. The concealer I use guys is from Juvia's. Also it's from Juvia's. Okay, after doing that, I do my contour, do the